Hey everyone, this is Alan from Mountains to Sound, here at a property in Mercer. The homeowner of this particular home did not know that there were two furnaces in this particular case. Turning on one zone didn't activate the furnace upstairs, but as I walked into the crawl space, we found there is an actual furnace down here as well. So just doing the regular checkup on these, just really important stuff. And yeah, if we wouldn't have gotten into the crawl space, wouldn't even know there's a furnace down here. Just question marks. Just try to answer those if we can. This has been Alan from Mountains to Sound. Have a good one.